Today, you will learn how to convert your resume to a link so you can share it easily with anyone for free. This works if your resume is in PDF, Word, or any other common format. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you are not signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you are in Google Drive, click New, then choose File Upload and select your resume from your computer. After the file uploads, click on it to open it. Now, go to the top right corner and click Share. In the sharing settings, change General Access to Anyone with the link. This is the important part because it allows other people to open your resume without asking for permission. After that, click Copy Link. Now your resume has a shareable link, and you can paste it in an email, message, or application form. When someone clicks the link, they will be able to view your resume online. That's it. If this helped, please like and subscribe.